Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use three expressions. It's time, it's high time, and it's about time. So it is your final year here, isn't it? Yes, Mom. So what would you like to do in the future? Have you thought about it? No, Mom. Well, it's time you started thinking about it. Yes, Mom. We use it's time when we want to say that something should be done at the present time. For example, it's time we left. As you can see, it's time is followed by a subject, in this case, we, and past simple or continuous. You can say it's time we left or it's time we were going. Here are some more examples.
I want to help my parents. I think it's time I found a job. The guests will be here in 2 hours. It's time we started cooking, don't you think? My bus arrives in 20 minutes. It's time I left. I don't want to be late.
Okay, come on.
I hate this store. It's about time you fixed that. It's high time and it's about time are very similar to it's time, but they're more urgent. And that's the difference between them. When you say it's high time we left or it's about time we left, you mean that you should really go now because you might be worried that you're going to be late or you might already be too late. So it's very important that you leave now. And just like it's time, it's high time and it's about time are followed by a subject and past simple or continuous. And here are some examples.
I've been unemployed for a year and unfortunately I got into debt. It's about time I got a job. The guests will be here soon. What do you mean? Nothing's ready. It's high time we started preparing the food. Oh, the bus arrives in 2 minutes. It's about time we were going.
Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!